Hello, good morning students. Yesterday we have started a new mathematics chapter, symmetrical and asymmetrical shape. And today we are going to continue this chapter. In this chapter we will discuss about symmetrical shape and asymmetrical shape and line of symmetry. First we will discuss about symmetrical shape. So let's start. Symmetrical shape. This is the figure of a heart. Using a tracing paper, trace the following figure. ये heart से image, circle and a trapezium. Here is the image of a heart. Can you fold exactly halfway so that similarly two half, one half, second half. One half completely cover the other half. This is called a figure is symmetrical, and the folding line, this folding line is said to be a line of symmetry. And now the figure of a circle. When we fold the circle to the dotted line, we find that on folding, any line which passes through a center of the circle cover the one half completely to the other half. So we can say that a circle have a infinite line of symmetry. Now a figure of a trapezium, when we fold it on the dotted line, we get one half cover completely another half. Here question is rise here. What is a symmetrical shape? What is a symmetrical figure? A figure is said to be symmetrical if on folding it one half of the figure completely overlap or cover on the other half, and the line of fold is called the line of the symmetry. Here we trace some figure. For example, a figure of heart. When we fold on the dotted line, we see that one half completely cover to the second half. One half cover completely to the second half. So this figure is called a symmetrical figure. And now a figure of a star, a picture image of a star, and when we fold a star on the dotted line, we see that one half is completely covered with the other half. One half is completely covered with the second half. So a star is also a symmetrical figure, and a star has 6 line of symmetry. One, when we fold one, here we fold here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a figure, a star has a 6 line of symmetry. Now a figure of a trapezium. When we fold on the dotted line, we will get one half is completely covered by the other half. So it is called It is also called a symmetrical figure, and this folded line is called line of symmetry. Can you figure have more than one line of symmetry? Yes, a circle, a star, and more figure have more than one line of symmetry. For example, a rectangle. A rectangle has two line of symmetry. When a rectangle fold this line, we get this shape, or when we fold this, we get this shape. Now a rectangle have, can you say the line of symmetry of a rectangle? No, because we see that when we fold is on this line, we get the shape is like this. So it is not a mirror image or a completely overlap by the other half. So a rectangle have only two line of symmetry. A rectangle have only two line of symmetry, 1 and 2. So students, this time for your practice by 1.